Hello, good morning, children. This is the last part of the chapter The Sound of Music, Part 1. Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. In this video, I am going to detail the last two paragraphs 9 and 10. After that, the chapter will end and I will post the textual question answers which you will note it down in your fair copy and learn it. Now, moving to paragraph 9 now. See the line given. Evelyn confesses that she is something of workaholic. Now see, what do you mean by confesses? Confesses mean to admit, okay? To accept, to admit. So, and meaning of, you can see workaholic. Workaholic means addicted to work. Another meaning could be a person who finds it difficult to stop working. Okay, a person who finds it difficult to stop working or addicted to work. So Evelyn is very hard working. She doesn't stop working. She was workaholic. She was addicted to work. Now coming to next line. I have just got to work. Okay, this line. Now to be at par and par with those people who can hear, who are classical musicians, Evelyn works very hard because she wanted to go to the top most. Okay. Now coming to the next line, but the rewards are enormous. Children, meaning of enormous, you know it, very big. Evelyn says that the rewards she gets for her hard work are huge and big. Okay, coming to the next line, apart from the regular concern. See the line, Evelyn does charity also. You can see the next line, Evelyn does charity also. Children, what is the meaning of charity? Charity means kindness towards other people or an organization that collects money to help people who are poor, sick, etc., or even to do work that is useful to society. So some people show charity. So Evelyn also does some charitable work. For example, she gives free concert. Concert means stage performances in hospitals and prisons. So she does the work of a charity. Okay, free of cost. She does not take any fees. Rather, she shows her kindness to others, especially in hospitals and prisons. Prisons, you know, we say jail, where criminals, convicts or culprits are put in prison, put in jail. Now coming to the next line, she also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. You see, she also takes classes for young musicians, all the newcomers, okay, for those children who want to learn music. So all the young learners, all the young musicians, she also take classes. Coming to the next line, you can see Anne Richling of the Beethoven Fund. See children, before starting this line, Anne Richling of the Beethoven Fund, I would like to tell you about what is Beethoven Fund for Deaf. See children, the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children, that is the brainchild of Anne Richling. It is a charity. Okay, the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children is a charity dedicated to helping hearing impaired children. The children who are impaired, who are weak, who are disabled, who are physically handicapped. Okay, all the disabled children learn to communicate through musical speech therapy, and inspired, encouraged, and motivated many great musicians and actors of the world to perform for the benefit of the fund donations their services to help deaf children in Beethoven's name. That's why we say the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children. And Anne Richlin ran the fund in her spare time, in her leisure time. Now coming to this line, Evelyn is an inspiration for all. She is an ideal. Ideal means perfect, the best possible in the eyes of everybody. So she is the ideal, the best, the perfect one. Anne Rachling, who belongs to the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children, also says that Evelyn is an inspiration for those children who cannot hear. See the nice, beautiful statement of Anne Rachling. She also said that Evelyn is an inspiration to all those children who cannot hear. And when they get to know Evelyn's story, they feel that they can accomplish. Accomplish means achieve everything. They can fulfill all their dreams. Now, coming to the last paragraph, paragraph 10. Evelyn Glennie has come to the first line. Evelyn Glennie has the word given accomplished, accomplished meaning achieved. So Evelyn Glennie has achieved so much in life that those people who are double her age, have also not achieved those many things, that much popularity and those many awards as Evelyn has done. So even double to her age, many people double her age has not achieved, has not got. But Evelyn at her very early stage has gained much popularity and has got many awards. Next line, she has brought percussion. You can see she has brought percussion. That line we are. Orchestra is a group of people who are playing different musical instruments, and generally the percussion instruments like the drums and the xylophone are placed at the back end of the orchestra, or they are placed at the side. But as Evelyn performs solo alone, she gives special performances with these percussion instruments. The percussion instruments have come in front of the orchestra. So this is what she has given a demonstration. Last line, she has given inspiration. Let's see how she has given inspiration. Evelyn's story is an inspiration, children, to those people who are physically disabled. They feel that Evelyn can achieve her dreams, even they can. So there is a question, if Evelyn, being disabled, being deaf, if she can achieve her dreams, why not the others? And Evelyn has given a lot of pleasure to her audience by playing such good music. She has touched the heart of millions and millions. So children, this is the end of this chapter. Next video, I would be moving to part 2, the Shahnai of Bismillah Khan. Till then, children, bye to you all. Thank you all.